Hi guys, so it's a beautiful day. So I'm at the back of work, taking in the scenery. Yes, I'm taking in the scenery. Tall buildings, the blue skies, the calm water, the flora. Woo! It's lovely. Isn't it? It's very lovely. It's a sunny day.
Shoop the Wally. Look, she look. Look at her. She'll miss Trinidad. Watch her. You better enjoy it when you're going to a cold country. Every minute you're feeling cold.
I'll be calling you guys. Oh my god, it's cold. Really? It's 2 degrees?
I need a cup of tea.
Drinking tea. Today, on their menu, it's bus up shots, it's curry, it's chana, curry chana, potato, curry potato that is. Pumpkin, mango, whether it's anchar or sweet and pepper mango. Yes. And I think they drink Mobby?
No,
They don't
soft drink.
Soft drink? Okay.
Yeah, soft drink.
So
A
yes.
red soft drink, preferably with roti. But unfortunately, we didn't get red. We get cream soda.
Soda?
But we'll
Yes.
manage.
So today it's as I said, it's Diwali, one of Trinidad's holiday, and it's an Indian holiday, and there's lots of activities. So later on in the day, I'll be showing you what I'll be having for my lunch on this special day.
In
All right,
case you're
guys?
wondering, it means
Bye.
Festival of Light, okay?
Yes.
You dedicate your body to the god Lakshmi.
A little bit of history.
Yes.
Historian.
Oh God.
Okay, so here we are now with our Diwali lunch. As I was previously explaining, we have our bus up shot, our curry chicken, potato, and pumpkin. Unfortunately, we didn't have any chana.
This one didn't have any mango.
Right? Oh, and the mango that I was talking about, the ancha mango. So here it is. Yes, so we're gonna feast.